Hello and welcome to London School of Emerging Technology. The following video provides an overview of how to set up Teams for online classes, so let's begin. Check your email inbox. Here is an email sent by the Microsoft team. Please open this email and click the link to accept the invitation. Upon clicking, a new tab will open with a link. It will ask you to log in here. You need to log in if you already have an account, and if you do not have an account, follow the steps below. Here you will need to verify your email address. Please click on the Send Code button. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Check your email for the verification code and click on the Sign button. Please accept permission to proceed. In this step, you will be asked to verify your account with the Microsoft Authenticator app. As of now, I am selecting Ask Later. Go to teams.microsoft.com. Just click on Let's Go and skip to the next step. You have successfully joined the class. Congratulations. If you click on the Join button, you will be able to enter your class.